Hey, what the heck? What the heck? Hey, sorry guys, ngegama nguSihle wakwaSikhosana, and this is Close Up Education. But for you, you should call me Mnumzane. Why? Because I will be bringing you topics such as percentages. What is a percentage? A percentage is a number or a ratio that can only be expressed as a fraction of 100. A number or a ratio which can only be expressed as a fraction of 100. Let me write it down. A number or ratio which can only be expressed as a fraction of 100. What do I mean as a fraction of 100? If you watch a video I posted before this one, you would understand what is a fraction. Why is it in a fraction of 100? Because of it always has 100 at the bottom when you are calculating it using a fraction like this. So it's like this, 100 at the bottom. Always has 100 at the bottom. Always 100 at the bottom. So let's make an example. Example 1. Let's say you are given 20%. And the question is convert 20% into a fraction form and also convert it into a decimal form. So let's make it. Now, kubakaye u20%. Bakupu 20%. You have to convert to 20% into a fraction form. How do you do it? You just say 20% is the same as 20 over 100. This is 20% in its fraction form. Then, but okay, sigbonile, uyiphasile. Do in a decimal form. Then uzoenzani, uzobhala 20. And if you watched my first video, you would understand a base 10 equation, which is the equation esobe sisebenzisa to get a decimal answer without using a calculator. What do? We said there's a decimal point here after the unit. There's a decimal point here after the unit which has to move 2 times, and meaning it move to the hundredths place because of this is the unit, this is the tens, and this will move to the hundredths place, it decimal point yako. So it moves 1, 2. It moves 2 times. Then we begala. I circle it decimal point yako. Then ufaka u0 as the holder. Yeah, I told her the thing is short. So this is your decimal percentage in a decimal form. If awufuna ungamsusa no 0 kuvele kube 0.2. It's up to you. You can write 0.2 or umfake nalo 0, it doesn't matter noma umsusile. Okay, let's make a more difficult example. Let's say you are given a one number percentage, but like 8%. Okay, 8%. But convert to 8% into a fraction and into a decimal fraction. How do you do it? You just say 8% is equals to 8 over 100 in a fraction form. But then in a decimal form, you write 8, and here there's a invisible decimal point, right? You have to move it 2 times to the hundredths place. Then ufaka 0 here. But then because you can't leave a space good the 10th space, you have to faka a placeholder which is 0. So kuzoba 0.08. Thola lento engisho izoba 0.08. 0.2% or 0.20%. Sure. Now we understand the difference between the percentage in a common fraction form and a percentage in a decimal form, right? Let's continue. Okay, how do you understand our calculations with percentage? A percentage obviously has a formula in which you might use to calculate its value or whatever answer bakubuza ngayo. So the formula looks like this. It's percentage times whole equals to unknown, which is our value or our answer. So it's percentage times whole equals to the unknown, right? All right, let's make our first example. What if you woke up namhlanje saying, no man, I saw one of it close-up videos on one of my friends and I have to buy a phone so I can watch more of those videos. Those are the most informative videos. Okay, uyahamba uyagijima, you go to a pep sale and you find ukuthi there's a phone there, and your phone you might actually get it on a discount. Ungayithola on a 20% or let's say on a 28% discount. Let's write it on a 28% discount, meaning this phone uzoyithola 28% off whatever amount izobe. Okay, let's say the phone cost 2,496. Okay, we are trying to be as odd as possible. 2,496 is the most odd number. Okay, 2,496 sharp. Then the question is, what is the amount or the value of 28% in 2,496? Imalini ozobe kuyi discount kuleyo mali leyo. Imalini okuzobe kuyi discount kuleyo mali leyo. How do you do it? As for me, now obvious, I'm a decimal form guy. I love using the decimal form of calculation or of a percentage. So it looks like this. Okay, question 1. Let's say question 1, the value, percentage value, right? I would say equals to 28, but then because of I love the decimal point of writing things, I would move my decimal point 2 times to the hundreds place, ngifake, and put the 0 there, and here I have 0.28, meaning this is my percentage in this equation or in this formula form, times the whole, which is the amount, which is 2,496. Then the answer would be, hey, press that calculator. I'm not a machine, man. Okay, so the answer will be 800. Oh, 800. No. Okay, sorry. So the answer will be 698.88. Hey guys, I calculated before. Don't jump. All right. So this is the answer. This is our value. This is our percentage value. Okay, then the follow-up question says the difference or the amount of the phone minus the percentage. How do we do it? It's obvious. You just calculate the difference. Therefore, 2,496 minus 698.88. Okay, and the answer is 1,799.12. Remember that the decimal numbers are usually important as well. Okay, so this was our first question. Let's wipe this off and write a more difficult one. Okay, question 2. Now tables of 10. You are given the unknown, you are given the whole number, they want the percentage. Okay, the unknown here was how much konje? Our unknown was 6,906.88. Hey, I still remember when you don't. Hey Baba, make sure you write those notes. Okay, then our cost of phone was 2,496, right? That's the data you have to collect before answering a question. You must first understand what the question means, collect the data before answering. So the question needs, it says the percentage. What do we use? This very same formula. How? We just say percentage equals to, you take the unknown, which is 696, you put it as your numerator, 88, divide by, you divide. This line in a fraction means division. You write 2,496. Then your answer will be none other than 28%. Noma kanjani. Your answer will be 28%. So now, because you understand more of how you can find a percentage, convert a percentage, calculate a percentage or a discount. Buffett, what the heck? Subscribe or like that channel. Hey, what? Hey, going? I'm still teaching. Okay.